Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing a box of 2006 Topps Finest. Oh, that looks like a checklist. Alright, box topper, and then 3 mini boxes. That key did not work. Damn, sorry guys. Alright, I have not busted a box of Finest in probably 5 years. I don't think I've ever done a football box. Let's see. Leon Washington, rookie card. Manny Lawson. Not the good name, but a nice looking card. Willie Reed, blue X Factor rookie, number out of 150. Just looks cool. Reggie Wayne, David Carr, Tatum Bell, blue refractor out of 299. Charlie Whitehurst rookie, Antonio Cromartie. Carson Palmer refractor out of 399. Michael Strahan, Eli base. Actually, I don't think I have one of those yet. Devin Hester rookie. Brett Favre, number out of 150. Just a cool one of those blue X Factors. So, that's actually kind of nice. And the last pack should be an auto. Finest Moments auto of Cedric Humes. Or maybe not Finest Moments, but it's not a rookie auto. We'll do the second mini box. Dominique Byrd, X Factor out of 250. Drew Burnett or something. Bennett, sorry. Reggie McNeil, blue refractor rookie out of 299. Chad Johnson refractor. Ben Roethlisberger green refractor out of 199. Brett Favre insert, not numbered. Alright, we got one pack left, so we'll do that after mini box 3. There's some weird shrink wrap. Brandon Stokely, blue X Factor out of 150. Brett Favre base. Sean Merriman, blue refractor, and a Peyton Manning base. Mario Williams rookie. Anquan Boldin refractor. Carson Palmer green refractor. Brett Favre, not numbered. So I've got 2 packs left with both autos, so I'll actually just do a separate video for those two. Otherwise, just the Cedric Hughes auto. Thanks for checking.